Guys, it's your boy 2K9 back again with another video today, and today I'm about to show you guys how to change your Keyfob battery. It's gonna be annoying. It's the remote start is gonna start to act up if you got the newer version with the remote start. So let's head inside and I'll show you guys how to pry this open. Real quick, what you want to do is take off the emergency key, get a little flathead like this. It's gonna be two tabs right there, if you guys can see that. Right here and right here. So what you're gonna want to do is pry that open, push it up like this, twist it. This one, twist too. See if I can twist it with this one. I'll go all the way around this. See if I can get this right here. All right, now open it with your hands. Ooh. You're gonna need a CR2032 battery. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. 2032 focus. 2032. So I grabbed myself a Duracell one. I got this at Big Y, in case you guys are wondering. You don't have to go to anywhere fancy to get this. But grab it. This one, take your small flathead and put it directly right there where this drawing is. And pop it out. Make sure you want to put the positive side. See, this is positive. I want that part facing down. So pop that back in. In real quick. Twist that way. Just like that. Grab your key fob. Start putting it back together. And your battery. Just like that. Nope. Put it in the wrong hole. And your battery should work. So let's go test it out. Okay guys, so you wanna unlock your car. Let's go inside the car. Let's see if it tells myself a little battery. Let's see. Everything looks completely fine. All right, so let's see if my car turns on from inside. Here's my key fob. Perfect. All right guys, so that's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. More content coming towards you guys. I have another video, I just haven't edited it yet. But if you guys haven't seen my last video, go watch right now. It's some new parts I got from my Q50. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one.
I'm gonna put some dirt in your eye.
Shut the fuck up, bitch! Peace.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.